Okay.
Because I always paid my support. It was just my ex-wife, for some reason, came here. This is all hearsay. This is me telling you this because she's not here to defend herself. But my daughter went away to college. I had a dollar for dollar credit. So they didn't want to listen to me. They had to send my daughter had to go to a $40,000 a year college. I'm like, okay, I'll pay my SUNY cap, but the money I pay for the room and board in my agreement, I get a dollar for dollar credit. So as soon as my ex-wife got a check less that, she came running here using this court, and ever since then we've been embroiled in this since then. And in her petition, she claimed her income decreased and expenses, like the standard thing, when the evidence proved it was otherwise.
Okay. So to unravel this, to set it right one way or the other, okay, this court finds that you should be given the opportunity an opportunity to seek to vacate.
By petition? By petition?
That would be, I would do order to show. Well.
Okay. I know, yeah.
It should be in order to show cause.
Okay.
I'm offering you this.
Thank you.
If it's wrong, I'm not a practicing attorney.
No, but I know you were at one time. You didn't get here because you're not an attorney, but
what you need to do the best method would be to utilize the order to show cause provisions. Get your motion. The order to show cause is a motion by
yes.
the other name.
Yes.
Okay? Get down in front of the support magistrate as soon as possible. Then she'll set it down, or she'll render a decision, and whatever that decision is, at that point, I'm sorry to say this, you're allowed to put in another order to show cause to seek this court or another court's review of whatever decision is rendered.
Okay.
And I'm sure you'll do your homework regarding, I didn't notice, the vacating that order based on the hearing.
Okay.
And if I may suggest,
Yes, sir.
keep it limited to what you
Brief.
see.
Yep.
Okay? Jurisdiction is not necessarily what is important in a motion to vacate. Okay?
The
It's a
evidence.
separate, two things, reason why you defaulted and a meritorious defense.
But sir, I understand. I just saying.
saying.
Okay. All right. You're right.
I'm just suggesting.
Okay.
Okay, because if I may,
Yes, sir.
permit me this.
You're allowed. You're allowed.
You like to bring up everything, and sometimes everything isn't needed. You have to focus.
Well, I'm just basing it on my experience as a police officer. Whenever a lawyer tried to get evidence thrown out, we did a probable cause hearing, which is equivalent to an order to show cause. So I would have to sit on the stand, and everything that I did, I had to explain, and if it was unlawful, the case was thrown out.
Well, it's only everything you did regarding covering the evidence.
Well,
You didn't care about the eyewitness.
well, but
So that's everything.
but if the evidence is thrown out, the case is thrown out. No evidence, no case.
Usually. Yes. But absolutely, but it's a focused issue.
Yes.
So all I'm suggesting is it's best to stay focused.
Yes, sir.
We're done.
Nice.
You can wait, you'll get a copy of the decision, you'll get written decisions, forgive me, maybe by the end of the week. By the end of the week, there'll be written decisions regarding these others, and you might see a punt in that, the waiting in the order to show cause.
Yes, sir.
All right, any other questions?
Thank you for listening. Thank you for being receptive. I appreciate that very much. I thank the court. Thank you.
Feel free to wait outside.
Thank you, sir. Oh, yes, I need that. Excuse me. Sounds right. Thanks.